down southwards, up over to the peak, which is there, back down that first turn to the left, down to the river, back along, back to the railway and the A9. So that's the Sow of Atholl, that one. We're not going up that one, but we are going up a little peak next to it, and then on up to the final Munro. And there's a bit of snow on it, which is quite nice, as long as you don't go too close to the edge, because there might be a little bit of cornicing there where the snow can just fall off if you go to the edge, but we won't do that. Okay, I better catch up because I've lost everybody now.